Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add or change the Face ID on your iPhone running iOS 18. This feature is great for enhancing your device's security while keeping it convenient to unlock. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You'll be asked to enter your passcode to proceed. Once you're in the Face ID settings, you'll see two options. Either set up Face ID if you haven't set one yet, or set Face ID if you already have a Face ID but want to change it. If you're adding Face ID for the first time, tap Set up Face ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to position your face within the frame. Slowly move your head in a circular motion to complete the scan. You'll need to do this twice to ensure accuracy. If you're changing your Face ID, tap Reset Face ID first, then follow the same setup process to register your new facial data. Once you're done, Face ID will be ready to use for unlocking your iPhone, authorizing app purchases, and more. And that's it. You've successfully added or changed Face ID on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.